Who has a conversation where they talk and the other person talks back, and then you talk and then the other person talks back? And who has a conversation where you're trying to talk over each other? But you have a simplex, you have a half-duplex, and you have a full-duplex communication system. A simplex communication system is a one-way street. In general, this structure now is a simplex communication, because I'm just chatting away, and you guys are not doing much except listening and receiving. Or at least I hope that you're all receiving. Okay? Then you've got your half-duplex, which is a basic standard conversation. I talk, you listen. You talk, I listen. Okay? And then if you're anything like my sister, man, you don't know when to shut up, and I can be on my second word and you are in there with your other, and that is a full duplex. Okay? It's where you're trying to chat over each other and no one's receiving anything. Okay, that's full duplex. The only difference is, whereas with humans we don't receive, with technology, full duplex means they will send and receive simultaneously. So they can use their mouth, aka the antennas, and their ears, aka the chip, at the same time.